In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open and run more than one VS Code Studio programs. If you have a VS Code program on your computer, it is possible you can split it and run several of these programs at a go. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. As you can see, I have just opened my VS Code Studio and this is the program. However, I wish to open and run another program like this at a go. To do this simultaneously, you can just minimize this and go to your VS Code app and double click on it. Now by clicking on it again, it will launch another new interface where you can now start your programming or you can interact with it. So if I minimize this further, let me just minimize it so that I can bring both programs on my Windows computer. So I have this and I can even move it further like that. Now if I hover over to this, you can see I have another program and there are two here. So I'll click on the second one and I can also minimize so that they can run side by side like this. So that's how you can open multiple VS Code programs on your computer. You can further, if you need a third one, you can still go back to your VS app and double click on it to launch another one. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.